Today we'll be painting Barbara's face. I'll be teaching you about colors, what color combinations to use for what purpose. If you have bright, light skin with freckles, it's usually dehydrated, therefore it turns red. I used moisturizing primer. Don't use silicone-based or powder primers. Just put some water on your eyes in order to get rid of the redness. Barbara has green, bright eyes. Therefore, by framing them with dark, they will stand out. This is such a classic technique. If you want to frame something bright, it just pops. I'm going all around the eye, blending this well because it sticks on the upper part. This smudges throughout the day. I'll be pulling it just up where it mirrored. Love the Dior eyeshadows because the colors are fantastic, and I'm using a color that is opposite in the color wheel to her eye color. Now what this does is it pops her eye color. Her eyes will stand out like diamonds. They will shine bright like a diamond, going all around the eye. And because Barbara has deep set eyes, they looked too sunken with what I did with the dark color. Therefore, I'm going over with a shimmery color, because shimmer on the middle part of the eyes will make them like, they will appear closer and will stand out. Go check it on our website where you have an in-depth tutorial. Framing the eyes even more with blue, because blue and green go really well together. And now just blending the upper edge with a clean brush, lifting the brows with white color, blending it all together so that you smudge the edge. Wanted to hydrate the face because, as I said, freckles on bright skin, light, fair complexion, usually the skin is red. Therefore, already by moisturizing it properly, you get rid of the redness. And now I used green by concealer by Urban Decay. Actually, I love this product. To get rid of the redness. And the foundation I'm using is colder, so it's beige rose, because freckles have burgundy in them. So this goes really well together. In the concealer, I mixed beige and I mixed more warm color, because if I would use colder color under her eyes, something that totally matches her complexion, she would look tired. But if you use yellow, it turns gray. Therefore, you need to use something in between. Barbara has diamond-shaped face, heart-shaped face. I'm not such a fan of using these words. She has pointed chin, actually. Therefore, the cheekbones stand out, and you want to lift the face by applying blush there on top, because it makes it rounder and draws the focus. Framing the whole look with brows, I used a cold color. Don't go warm now on this look, because the look is still colder. And I wanted to go all in. This is a night out look, intensifying her eye color also with this lip color, which is in the color wheel on the opposite side to her iris. Love this mascara because you can just wash it off with warm water. It was tested by a lot of girls as well, so it's not just my word. This is what we did. You see how flawless the complexion is. Look at this. And I hardly used any foundation. This is just color corrections. The freckles still shine through and the makeup looks sort of natural. Hope you like the makeup tutorial. Go check it on our website. Like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.